好啦，今日之後第17條題目啦。佢就問你邊個 method 係可以叫做 separate 個 copper to iron，就 from 一個aqueous solution containing copper to 同埋個 aluminium ion 嘅，即係我要提取翻嗰個 copper to 嘅 iron 出嚟。好啦，咁第一句先就 heat 個 mixture。咁講真，我都冇學過有咩separation 係可以靠加熱嘅。咁所以一都唔會啱噶啦。咁第二佢就話加 excess 嘅NaOH，咁呢個係可以嘅喎。嗱，我哋知道咧兩個嘅 metal ion 其實遇到 hydroxide 佢都會變做個唔溶喺水嘅 hydroxide。OK，呢個係我哋要知道嘅。咁但係我哋留意一件事就係、AL 呢一隻咧，就係如果你加 excess 嘅 NaOH 咧，其實佢會 redissolve 㗎。咁即係話咧，你個 aluminium hydroxide 再加 excess 嘅 OH 負咧，其實佢會變咗一個叫做 aluminate 嘅iron 啦，OK，iron 啦。咁佢就會係一個溶喺水嘅狀態。咁換言之，你加 excess 嘅 NaOH 入邊咧，所有嘅 aluminium 就仍然溶翻喺入邊，但 copper two 咧就變晒 precipitate。你之後再做一步 filtration，就真係可以提取翻所有嘅 copper two 噶啦。所以2號咧係正確嘅。好，咁3號咧就話加 sulfuric acid，咁聽日講又好似諗唔到有咩 reaction 係關佢事。咁所以3號我都揀唔落手啊，諗唔到咩 reaction，所以就只有2 only。咁2 only 即係B for boy。